42 की रुकन काउंसिल के कविता ने खलीजी ममालिक में काम करने वाले वर्कर्स की उजरतों में कमी करने से मुताल्लिक मरकजी हुकूमत के फैसले की मजम्मत करते हुए इसे फौरी तौर पर वापस लेने का मुतालबा किया। कविता ने कहा कि मरकजी हुकूमत की तरफ से जारी करदा जियो से खलीजी वर्कर्स की उजरतों में 30% से 50% कमी की मंजूरी दे दी गई है। उन्होंने कहा कि इस फैसले से खलीजी ममालिक में काम करने वाले 90 लाख वर्कर्स को शदीद नुकसान पहुँचेगा।
In COVID time, but it has only just come out right now. The issue is that the minimum support wage of these migrant laborers has been slashed by at least 40%, which is going to very deeply hurt the laborers. This is a very regressive policy. This has to be immediately taken off. All these 90 lakh labor who are working in the Gulf countries, as it is, are facing a crisis. They do not have a job security. And with this new laws, the jobs of these people are in grave danger, because the companies and the corporates there in Dubai or in Gulf countries, they want to hire better people for a lower price. So in these situations, I strongly demand the central government that they absolutely should withdraw this regressive policy, and they should immediately either enhance or at least stabilize the minimum support. When anybody from India is going abroad, our government does not provide any kind of legal protection to them. They do not provide any kind of embassy support. The support is very, very minimal, even compared to small countries like Philippines, who give great support in these Gulf countries. We have seen our labor suffer. We have seen our women who go there suffer. So this is high time that the country realizes, that the central government realizes, and come to their senses and kindly withdraw this regressive policy, because 17 lakh Telangana workers are currently suffering in Gulf countries. We sincerely urge the